Japan, ang mga lalaki talaga ang bibigyan ng mga gifts. Lalo na kung may mga asawa, may mga boyfriend, ang lalaki po ang bibigyan. Hindi po uso ang hana, hindi flowers. Sa Pilipinas, uso ang babae ang bibigyan. Yun, di ba guys? Yun. So dito, hindi po kami binibigyan. Kasi, pero naman, sa susunod na buwan, sa March 14, yun yung magbibigay ng chocolate, kung anong regalo, matatanggap ng lalaki, yun po. Iba po sa Japan. Andito si Boss, Gia.
Opo.
Ayan, nagmamanew siya.
Good morning.
Ano daw? What? Good morning daw, guys. Ayan. So, kasama natin siya sa biyahe. So, pumunta kami sa mall. Oo. Si-celebrate daw ng araw ng mga puso. Actually, nabigyan na natin siya kahapon ng simpleng naman, chocolate, no, mga, pero kinakain niya kaagad yun. Gustong-gusto niya. Oh, parang lang. Ayan, samahan niyo kami, guys.
It's already February here in Japan, but everything around me is still covered in snow. The weather is still very cold, and it really feels like winter is not over yet. Even though it's the month of love, the surroundings are still white and freezing, but the snowy view is very beautiful.
Let's blow away it all. 부서진 꿈과 상처 모든 것이 두려움. Yeah, we'll fix everything. 나의 손길은 너에게 다가가 감추인 네 날개를 높이 들어. I wanna hear you say bring the light. Run to the end of the sky. Bring all the miraculous light. 모두 두렵지 않아 너와 나의 메카닉은 승리의
6 a.m. here in Japan. Yes, 6 a.m. While other people are still sleeping, I'm already doing my Valentine's mission. Before we go to the mall, I gave my boss a secret gift, and his reaction? Shocked. He really didn't expect it. He thought, no gift this year. Surprise. But honestly, I do this every year. Because in Japan, women give gifts to the people they love on Valentine's Day. So don't be confused. This is Japanese culture, okay? Not drama. Mission accomplished, boss surprised, heart happy. We were just going to eat and walk around the mall. But surprise! I was the one surprised. Valentine's Day in Japan hits different.
Guys, nagsusukat tayo ng damit. Hindi ko alam na bibili pala kami ng damit. Kala ko kain na kami. So ito nagsusukat ang atin yun. Kasi nag-spring na. Kaya ayan ang atin yun. Kala ko kain lang kami.
I thought we just eat at the mall, but I got surprised instead.
Bagong weather. Kaya samahan niyo kami. Hello, no? Medyo.
While using your smartphone or mobile telephone in the store.
6点ですね、お客
Do
様。
so, as you might bump into other shoppers or even knock them over. If you wish to use your smartphone or
So today, guys, we went to another place to look for something to eat, and we ended up here at Yakiniku King in Takaoka. It's actually a bit far from where I live, so this is my first time eating here. I'm excited to try their food. Let's see how it tastes. entered inside Yakiniku King, we had to check in using the machine first to get our table number. Everything is very organized here in Japan, so we just waited for our turn.
Chicken? Nanji?
The place is really beautiful and very clean, perfect for relaxing and just hanging out. I really love the atmosphere. At Yakiniku King in Takaoka, the dining experience is buffet style. All you can eat with a time limit of about 2 hours. You order everything using a tablet, and the food is served fresh to your table. We ordered their signature beef, special beef, beef tongue, pork, chicken, marinated beef, sliced beef, karubi, and many more. The experience is fun because you grill the meat yourself at the table.
Kain po tayo. Ano ko rin? Sabod ka pa. Salada, tapos na yun. Salada. Ito, bigyan na. Tapos sila.
Mura mo ito.一人のサラダだと無理だと。これがね、僕のね、それで。
Kain po tayo. Ito, ang aming mahal na mga pinag-iwan tawag dito. Yung Valentine's. Ito yung kainan ko napunta. Ang sarap ng pagkain nila, puro beef.
Moments, we find true happiness. Happy Valentine's Day. Simple love, pure happiness, beautiful memories. A simple Valentine's Day, but a love to remember forever. Love lives in the simplest moments. Simple celebration, but full of love and happiness.
Hello! Yun nga guys, natapos na tayo sa kainan guys. Diyan sa Yakiniku. Ayan. Gio, smell good. Gio. Ayan, kumain tayo dyan. First time natin kumain dyan guys. Mula sa lugar ko hanggang pumunta doon sa Takaoka. Takaw ka. So natapos ang araw ng mga puso, si boss pa rin ang nagmastos. At yun nga, nag-shopping tayo ng konti. Hello everyone! Ayan! Say hello! Say hello! Malaki daw ang tiyan niya. Ayan. Ayan. So ayan guys. Sinamahan nyo kami. Salamat sa maraming nanonood. Thank you po. Pauwi na kami. Lance po yun. Lance. Nabusog. Super busog. Ayan. Dito po kayo kumain. Dito. Masarap po yung food nila. Pero lahat ay gyuniko. Gyuniko lahat dyan. Oo. Oh, meron pa ring snow. Snow yuki. Ayun. Ayun, yuki. So, ayun. So, pauwi na tayo guys.